Hello, it's Pauline Douglas speaking in a quest. And I thought I might, just before I go and watch my next movie for the night, I thought I might have a quick word about worry and the devastating time that we're all going through. I mean, some of us are enjoying it because we're making a conscious effort to enjoy the time that we've never had. We've never had the time to think about ourselves and the world that we have now. So it's not all bad. But I also appreciate that most people only have enough to keep them going for maybe 3 to 4 months. We're just not geared up for such a shocking devastation. So of course, the worry is going to be there, whether we like it or not. So how do you deal with it? Well, the first thing you need to know is that you can only worry if you have a brain. Right? You know, like they say that if you were a chicken and they chopped off your head, you would never worry again, would you? So it's a brain activity. And the brain is doing what the brain does. It's going into fear or blame. Blame can be the other one. But blame is sort of a type of fear, but it boils down to fear. But fear or blame. And it comes out of nowhere. It's just fear of the consequences. So years ago, I was taught a very simple little technique. First of all, get something to write something down on, whether it's a piece of paper or it's your device. And you're going to document all your worries. So just go through them. So let's go back to the first one now. And I want you to think of what's the worst possible outcome of that worry or fear. What's the worst possible outcome? I mean, really, what's the worst possible outcome? Now I want you to be, in your heart, be prepared to accept that, should it happen. Now go write a list of up to 20 solutions to solve that problem, that worry or that fear. And if you can get beyond 6, well, then you're pretty amazing. But, have a go, be as creative as you can. Then choose one that you're going to act on immediately. And do this with all the other problems and fears that you have. And it will amaze you. It'll clear your brain, because really that's what the problem is the angst. It sort of shuts us down from making sensible decisions to find solutions. And there will always be a solution. You're not alone. And there's an awful lot of support out there for people who are going to go through this. So use it. I use it all the time, particularly now. Cheers.